Hello everyone! Today I'd like to show you the waterproof test process of our outdoor LED displays, which is a key part of our quality control to ensure the screens work stably in various outdoor environments. For every outdoor screen order, we will conduct a random waterproof test on 10% of the cabinet quantity in the order. This strict sampling inspection ensures that each batch of products meets the highest waterproof standards. Now let's walk through the detailed test process step by step. Step 1. Prepare dry towels for wiping water first. Load the outdoor cabinets to be tested onto a transport cart and put the cabinets to the middle of the sprinkler area, making sure all sides of the cabinets can be sprayed with water evenly. Step 2. Set the test duration, minimum 4 minutes. After turning on the sprinkler switch, the nozzles on the left, right, and the top will spray water around the cabinets with a water flow rate of no less than 12.5 liters per minute. The sprinkler device will stop automatically when the set time is up. Step 3. Take out the cabinets to the drying area and place them on the workbench. Then use dry towels to wipe off any water stains around the cabinet. Step 4. Open the back door of the cabinet to check the waterproof condition. If there is water leakage in the cabinet, we will analyze the cause immediately. If there is water in the modules, we will remove the water leaking modules at once for maintenance. After improvement, we will conduct the waterproof test again until it passes. Step 5. If no water leakage is found in the cabinets, we will air dry the cabinets with an air gun, then power on the cabinets to test whether they operate normally. Finally, we will fill in the test records into the entire screen inspection reports. Every step of the test is carried out strictly to ensure that our outdoor LED displays can withstand harsh weather conditions and bring you stable and reliable use experience. Thank you for watching.